Subject name is Business, Environmental and Communications. The topics we will be see the dynamications of environmental, microenvironmental, legal natures and competitive analysis in the our country, that means in India. First we will going to see macroenvironmental and demographic environmental in international business. Microenvironmental is the effect it's a specifics to a business or the identification locations of the sectors in which the operations in interactions. The microenvironmental refers to the border factors that can affect a business. Examples of these factors including a dynamic, economical, political, economical, social cultures and technological factors. Next we will be going to see dynamic environmental in international business. Dynamic environmental is about the chapters of a populations in a specific areas and including a multiple factors like a age, race, income, etc. Further, the business finds the date which reports those factors within the targeted dynamic values of international assets comes affects the growth and success of business. Next we will going to see national legal and politicals. First we will going to see the political legal environment. In that it combinations of a lot of factors such as a current political parties in a power, the degree of a politicians of a trade and industries, the effectiveness of a current governance and governments, government policies, culture, legal framework, the public attitudes towards the economic, etc. Now we will going to see natures of environment. Nature factors in a micro environmental are important because they are a nature resources which are needed as a production input or business. These are also the natural or non-renewable resources, oil, coal, meals, minerals, etc. That they are impact the organization productions. And then we will be going to see competitive analysis in India. Competitive analysis standards as a combination resource methodologies, often a system approaches of to examining two or more enterprises to its been within some categories of an crossing different strategies. Other than that, macroenvironmentals is the factors of a business, identifications of a locations or a sectors in which are the operations. It contracting the microenvironmental refers to the board of factors that are affecting the business. Microenvironmental factors are elements of firm intermediating the environmental which affects the performance and decision making. These elements including the firms, suppliers, competitors, marketing intermediaries, customs and publics. Business environmental is the most important aspects of any business. The factors which contribute a business environmentals are the suppliers, competitors, media, government, customers, economic conditions, investors, and multiples other institutions of external beneficiaries. There are several methods of doing a competitive analysis till the date. Individualization, unifications, finding and competitives are the competitive analysis. Advantages of a competitive analysis in India is As a percentage of total exporters, India enjoying a competitive advantages in 32% settles of a total expenses. The sum has in a 2000. India competitive advantages is a focusing sectors like organic chemicals, cotton, iron, and steel. At articles of an approaches of business enterprises. There are three degrees of comparisons in India has got one biggest advantages. 2 and 3 of economic is consumer organizations. Nationals like China have to take a long times to get that infrastructure is developing, and governments are spending as a lot of that infrastructure amounts. It will be compared as a business environmental for developing the current sectors for India.